The Ads Manager. What is it? How do we use it? What's the layout? It's very confusing. Let's go through it. Okay, the first thing to note is we have 3 layers to every campaign. We have a campaign level. Our campaign is our objective, what it is that we are trying to achieve. Are we trying to get phone calls, leads, messages, awareness? What is it that we're trying to achieve? Facebook will put this in front of the people most likely to take that action. That is a campaign level. Next, we have an ad set level. An ad set level is where we choose who we want to see our screen, so our audience. So where, the locations, are they male, female, all of that. That is in our ad set level. Next, we have our ad level. This is the level that shows up. So what people see on their screens, the picture, the words, the buttons, that is your ad. So we're gonna go through now. On the left here, we have campaigns. So when we click on this, we have both of our campaigns here. So we're trying to get leads in this campaign and send traffic in this campaign. So what it is that we are trying to achieve is in our campaign level. Now, with none of the, I'm gonna select the warm leads campaign so you can see how this flows through. If you have both selected or a different one selected, it will flow through in that campaign. So how I said there are 3 levels. Your campaign is the basket holding the rest of your stuff. So we've got this one selected. We're going to go through our warm leads campaign. So we're going to move over here now. This is the second piece, our ad set. So I said campaign holds everything. Ad set is the next piece. So we click on our ad set. Now we can see here we have our warm ad set. The ad set is who we are showing our ads to. Male, female, in Australia, in New Zealand, wherever it may be. This is where we choose that. Moving on from this, our next basket is our ad level. So we've gone through campaign, then we've got our ad set, and underneath that we have our ads. Now our ads is what is going to show up on screens, what people see, what people read, what people click. This is your ad level. So we have our 3 levels. A campaign holds everything. Then we have our ad set, which is where and who. And then we have our ad, which is what we are showing. That is the basic setup for the Ads Manager. You have columns here that run through all of your stuff. I'm going to go through back to our campaign level here now. So here we have our columns. We have budget. What is the budget we are spending every day on our ads? This will vary, however, the budget limit is set and it goes through the month. So on some days, if Tuesdays doesn't perform well, it'll spend less on that day. If Wednesdays perform really well, it will spend a bit more on that day. However, over the period of the month, it won't spend more than your maximum daily budget. Then we have all of our different settings. So we have our results, our reach, our impressions, our cost per result. If you want to read and monitor, we have a whole nother course on how to monitor and scale your ads that will go through each of these. However, I just want to show you that these columns here are how you read your ads. This will have all of the data on your ads in these columns. Now, next, if you want to delete an ad, there is a delete button just here. You can click that. If you want to create, there is a create button just there. There isn't much else that you need to do. Over here, if you want to see time periods of your ads so you can see how they did on any given month or week, you can click here and change all of that. So you can change it from, so this is just maximum, which goes from the 16th of June 22 to the 13th of October 23. You can change it to whatever you want. If you want to see this week, last month, this month, whatever it may be, click on one, click update. It will change all of the information in all of these columns so that you can see how everything is performing at any given time. That is all you need to worry about for your ads. That is the Ads Manager. That is a very basic, very quick run through of what the Ads Manager is, but there isn't much to it. As I said, there are only 3 things: your campaign, your ad set, and your ads. The rest of it is monitoring, scaling. Once everything's set up, you will understand and you don't really need much more information. So if you want to learn how to build out those ads, we have the courses on that. If you want to learn how to monitor and scale and read everything, there are courses on that. Go and check them out. Good luck.